Hi everyone, my name is Ashwini and I'm from Maharashtra. I'm here to improve my English speaking. I can write English, I can read English, but when I try to speak, I feel stuck or English words directly don't come out with my mouth. So I'm trying to speak like this way. In this video, I share with you real things. So if you want to speak English, so you can hear this and you can try to understand. If you are beginner and you don't understand English, when anyone speak very fast, so this is slow English video. You can understand easily and you can speak like me watching this video. You know what? I went today near by my village city. There I went for making 1 year gap certificate. I have taken gap in this year, which means 2024, not to 2025, which means um yeah, like this. And you know what? I want to take admission in direct second year engineering degree in electronic and telecommunication branch. I have completed my 12th in science stream PCM and in 2023, and in 2025 I have completed my computer diploma in computer. So you know what, I went there to make 1 year gap certificate because I want to take admission in my degree. And I went there alone because my one of my friend want to come with me, but her father said her don't go anywhere. She wanted to come with me, she wanted to go come in that city. She is also live in village, but she lives in different village, not in my village. But she wanted to come, but her father said that you don't go anywhere, you just whatever you want you do in our home, don't go anywhere, don't do anything. And she wanted to do job, she's finding job in Pune, but her father said you don't, you didn't have need to, you don't have need to do job. And her father said this, you can't do job because you, why you want money. You know what, for girls like this kind of things are always happening in village lives. And uh, so guys, you can understand this kind of things are also happening in villages. But my parents are not like this. They said whatever you want you can study, you can learn. Because I have one big sister, elder sister, and she's married now, but she has completed her degree, and that's why I have correct path to road, because my father said she has completed her education, so why you not. So I can is, no one is saying me don't take you admission. I know that I want to take admission and I will take admission soon. If you if you are someone who is doing job and who is earning money through engineering, who has completed their education in engineering field, is my electronic and telecommunication branch choosing decision is correct or not? What do you think about it? Because I don't have anyone to guide me, so I want to take in electronics and telecommunication branch admission because I'm not interested in computer and AI. I feel, oh, like this, I don't want to this do this coding, coding, just coding, do coding, and run programs. This is input, this is output. I don't like to this kind of things. I have I made my gap certificate today. I went their city, and you know what? That I bought one stamp paper, 20 rupees, 100, and I I went there. One lawyer, he writed, he printed something on this. Yeah, this student, and she has taken 1 year gap. This is year they are mentioned in that stamp paper, and all done. Just this 5 minute process, and I hope guys you are understanding. I'm trying to express and describe my feelings with my real scenarios and real incidents, because I want to speak English very well. This is my desire, so that's why I'm making here video. If you understand this kind of English, please tell me. And each and everyone can speak English. Like me, I'm not perfect, but still I'm learning. And you know what? Try to, if you are making mistakes and in starting so many times, you feel stuck, because this is our process. This is not our native language. So this language takes time to understand. Our mind takes time to understand things and catch and grab things in exact way. So guys, tell me, electronics and telecommunication branch is good for me, and I got 83 percentage in my computer diploma in 2025, and in 12th I have 75 percentage in PCM. If I want to do job, which kind of job people will offer me? Because in village here is no any job, and you can understand here is only field jobs. When you want to go and do earn money, you can only earn money through fields. You can go and do any work in their field, any sowing, like planting, anything. They only give you 300 rupees per day. And you know what? I don't want to do this kind of works because I am studying, and in village these works are only available. Otherwise, no any works in villages. I hope guys you understand my English. If you understand this kind of English, you can definitely speak English. But thing is, you need to sound out words through your mouth. Use your mouth in starting. Your mouth is not used to speak English. Maybe it's difficult, no, not so hard, but it's little difficult to speak. But it's okay. You can speak English. Everyone can speak English. I'm making mistakes, but I don't feel fear about my mistakes. And how to overcome the fear? If you want to know about what is my opinion about this, comment in this video. I will definitely make video on this, and I hope guys you understand. We will meet in our another video. Bye bye.